You're bigger, Brad. You got a bigger head.
You got a bigger head.
You got a bigger head for your body. Yours is like boom, and my head is like boom.
You got a bigger belly.
And I got a bigger trunk.
Fishing for what?
Crayfish.
Why?
Eat.
Seriously?
Yeah, we're gonna clean out the crayfish first.
What do you think, Matthew? Matthew.
I'm the one that's cooking.
He's the one that's cooking. He knows how to cook. Even if it's...
You can boil them, and it will taste amazing. I've done that before, and they taste amazing.
You also saute them. They taste better sauteed.
We're trying to catch a crayfish to eat. Yes.
Magnificent.
What do you need CPR for?
I scraped my toe!
Faker.
See, this will make me.
Set, go. Cheater. Cheater. Cheater.
What took you guys so long? What took you guys so long? You guys, I take forever.
Oh, it's awesome.
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to get rid of all the kind of creepy fish over here.
Oh yeah. Time to walk the plank. Stop!
There's nothing down there, you know?
Go to the promised land, buddy. Woo!
Okay, you ready?
Nah. Oh, I didn't
Sorry.
Oh, your necklace.
Oh my god, I'm not losing this freaking necklace. Not gonna happen. This was the last thing Ty gave me.
Which one of you's gonna hold on to it? Necklace. Matthew.
Let's get over there, Jack.
Keep going.
This should be a perfect time to cut the scene. Cut the scene.
Cut. There's not enough room. You stay up there. I'll be fine. Never let go. Promise me, you will never let go.
I promise. I promise. It's so cold, Jack. It's so cold.
I agree. It will be fine. It will be fine. Cut. Cold and tell our story one day. I will, Jack.
I never let you go.
Yeah, I'm not going under. It's cold. I'm not going under.
Jack! 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 No! Jack! 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 So cold. People! People! I want to eat you! I'm so hungry! I'm so hungry! Maybe if I swim! Swim! Free Willy, swim! I'll forget about
Free
it.
Willy wasn't invented. It wasn't.
Jack!
It wasn't invented.
Jack!
Hi. Hi, Rose. Hi.
Wow! Oh, I know you did not just do. Oh, oh, it's for real. Oh, I know you did not just do. Oh, you were thinking that the bitch off me. Oh, he answered now.
I'm dead, so you can't do this to me. I'm a ghost.
I know you not that. I'm a guy.
Waterworks.
Nasty.
Up to perfect. Time to go. About to be perfect power. It's someone else's turn. Hey, Papa.
Did you hear? Did you better?